Hello everyone. Today, we're getting familiar with AttendLab mobile application. This is an essential part of a smooth experience with AttendLab. Let's get started. Once you've downloaded and opened AttendLab on your mobile device, the first thing you'll want to explore is the settings menu. Here, you can set up your app theme and language. Also, you can find an info on how the app works and review our privacy policy and terms of use. Next, you'll want to link your device. This feature is crucial for maintaining secure and efficient operations. Simply navigate to Link Device in the main menu. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device. This step is essential for enabling the attendance tracking. Now, let's test the check-in feature. Just tap Check-in on the home screen and look into the camera. As you see, it's quick and straightforward, perfect for businesses of various sizes. AttendLab also offers a liveness detection option to ensure that the person is actually marking attendance. For this feature, you'll need to enable liveness detection in the settings in the web app. Now, every time you check in, the app will require to follow on-screen instructions to verify your identity. We've explored AttendLab's mobile app, from setting preferences to device linking and secure check-ins with liveness detection. For more tech tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell at our Heya Solutions YouTube channel. Any questions or feedback? Contact us at info@attendlab.com or for support, reach out to support@attendlab.com. Thank you for choosing AttendLab.